Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. So in this video, I'm going to be dealing with those subscribers, viewers who want to make files for SSH WebSocket. So for HTTP custom, HTTP injector is coming up. Don't ensure to subscribe, share this video to your friend. For us, our role is to make sure that everyone is connected on this globe, not only in countries where we reside in, but we also connect those in outside our country, Zimbabwe, outside our country, Uganda, outside our country, South Africa, any country, not only those I have mentioned, but can also connect Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, Pakistan, India. Many countries are connected on this channel, and many are appreciating. Now we are going to be dealing with those ones who want to create the SSH WebSocket configuration file. So don't forget to subscribe. Open the Google Play Store and then download the VPN application called HTTP Custom. If you don't know how to download it, then you go and search HTTP Custom. Go to the search bar and then search the VPN application HTTP Custom. And then after searching it, ensure to install. Then after installing, we're going to be following the steps. In the previous video, we are talking about with my viewers, recent viewers, on how to create an SSH WebSocket account, and we all learned, and guys are appreciating down there in the comment section. And then I also thank those who are commenting that working. Thank you guys for following us. That's our work. Don't comment a lot that it has worked. We know we can connect almost everyone. We know every country is connected down. We are connected. We are connecting countries, borders to borders. We are connecting them. They are appreciating with these VPN applications. So I'm going to pin down there a video in the description. You can check down the description for this YouTube video, and you also learn how to create your sort of WebSocket account. The video will be down there in the description at the down of the description. So just scroll down, then you'll see the video on how to create an SSH WebSocket account. So this is the account we learned to create in the last video, but it had a lot. So first go and watch the other video and then come back. Let me be continuing with those who know how to create it. Then you're going to go to the next step of creating a file. Those who want to create a file, we are going to be running there to the plus button. Pressing the plus button, you're going to go where you have the save configuration file, and then we are going to put the file name .ss WebSocket. Then I can put an icon. Let me put a socket. I hope it isn't there. It's got a switch. They are bringing Switzerland. Let me put it done. You can be stylish. You can style your file. Then let me put that one, and then I'm going to come the password for security, the note, the extra sniffer, and then I'm going to put the expiry date to 28th, and then the time, then powered by Marius Tech, and then I'm going to put the note SSH WebSocket, and then the network. Let me first put my name, Marius Tech, SSH WebSocket. Let me put that one. Let me put that thing. Then I can put the network. I can put Airtel. I can put MTN. can put Geo, I can put Safari, I can put Telecom, I can put Econet, I can put Laika Mobile, I can put Free Cell, I can put all networks. I can also put, let me think of a network in a country like the other one, Tigo, and we have like Digicel and other networks. Or I can put all networks. I can choose that icon, networks. Then I can put the expiry date, and then I say it is 28 February 2026, and then I put made with love. By Marustech, and then I go, it is a custom server message. I enable it and I can see the password, but I don't want the password. I won't select it, and then I save, and then I will be allowing that one, then it will be saved successfully. So before we import it, look at here, and I'm going to be showing you something. I'm going to import. Okay. Then you have that one. I'm going to be importing it. It will be looking like that. This is what we have typed. That is what we have typed. And then this is what we call powered by Marustech. And then we are going to be connecting, and we see. But that thing, let me connect it as it is. And I see it has connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. Don't forget, I sign out.